Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check Magento version, PHP, and theme constraints so the extension will run. Once done, make a full backup, files, and database, so you can roll back if needed. Next, enable developer mode and open SSH. You'll use Composer or the command line to install. Make sure you have admin credentials and access to the extension package or repository, because the next steps require direct file and dependency changes. You upload the extension using Composer when available, or by placing the module in app/code if manual installation is required. Once files are in place, run bin/magento setup, upgrade to register the module, then setup. Compile to build generated code so performance stays stable. After that, clear and warm caches with cache, flush, and deploy static content if you're in production. Make sure file permissions are correct. Wrong permissions cause runtime errors and inaccessible assets. You finish by configuring the extension in admin, then test typical customer flows, product pages, checkout, or API calls, so you confirm behavior. If something breaks, inspect var/log files and exception. Log to pinpoint the issue, and check Browser Console for JS errors. If unresolved, disable the module with bin/magento module, disable and restore the backup to revert quickly. One key troubleshooting tip: compare module version and dependency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.